Okay, go.
We're gonna say thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Grammy.
Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Yeah.
Thank you, Yaya.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Okay.
We love you.
Okay, what do you see? That one? Okay. Take it out.
Sit down.
Start ripping, Karina.
Rip.
Well, we could be here a while. Start ripping from the sides. Yeah, right there. There you go. You got it. Rip. Rip.
Fast.
Rip.
Fast, Bug. Fast.
Oh my goodness, what is that? Oh, it's a train. Wow. Okay, show me. Wow. Okay, moving on.
Rip.
Karina means business.
Rip. Rip it, Bubs.
My, what is that?
That's a princess.
That's right. That's a princess outfit. Wow. Hey, show Mommy. Show me. Thank you. Oh, see the princess outfit?
Oh, that's this one.
Oh, who's that for?
That baby.
Is that for you?
Yeah, that's me.
Oh, okay.
Rip it.
That's Thomas Truck.
That's right. That's Thomas Track.
That's Thomas Truck, Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
That's Thomas Truck, Daddy.
Very good. Rip it. Fast. Whoa.
Okay, Karina, do you want to do this one next?
Whoa.
That's Thomas.
Mm-hmm. That's for your Thomas Track.
This one.
That's the one you want to do next. Sit right there by your Thomas Track. Okay, sit right there. Okay, rip it.
Rip it.
I think
Rip it.
Santa brought you nice stuff. Did Santa bring nice stuff? Are you happy?
Rip it. Where's the froggy? Rip it.
No, that's Thomas Tree.
Oh!
Yay!
Open it up.
See, which one is it?
Fast.
Wow.
Fast.
Look at that. What is it?
Ooh, thank you, Santa.
Yeah.
Say it louder.
Is that your Thomas holiday set?
No, not mine.
Is that yours?
Yeah, that's mine.
You like it?
Oh, pretty.
You like it? What is it? Oh.
Yeah. Okay, Karina, say bye. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Thank you.
Bye.
Go this.
Bye.
Bye.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.